third day. So take your one step forward and restore the earth. To restore the earth, do you know what you do? Instead of throwing waste here and there, you have to keep in recycle bin and trash bin. Whatever things can be recycled, keep in a recycle bin. Like bottles, like chocolate wrappers, magazines, plastic toys, paper, plastic, brush, plastic caps, etc. Vegetable peels and fruit peels cannot be recycled. You should keep in trash. Bitter gourd cannot be recycled, so we'll put in the trash. Onion peel can also not be recycled. Put in trash. Vegetables you can make compost. Here is the soil. So we'll put this bitter gourd in the compost. Then spray it. Now cover with the soil. Cover. Spray it again. And now you can keep in the sunlight. Within a month, it will be ready to grow the new plants. Okay, everyone, so what you understand? Throw the waste in the recycle bin and trash. Then restore the earth. Happy Earth Day, everyone!